Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is ESP32 Capacitive Touch Switch Board for Home Automation. So here we are using ESP32 Development Kit version 1, and we are using 4 touch sensors, 4 touch sensor pins, and those are connected with touch 7, touch 6, touch 5 and touch 4. In ESP32 we have 9 touch pins are available. So we are using 4 relay coil, SPDT relay, single pole double throw relay. The purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the AC bulb. Those are connected with general purpose input output pin GPIO 5, 18, 19, 21 and 5 volts power supply. So here we are using ESP32 development kit. So ESP32 development kit version 1, 30 GPIO pin. So here we are using touch pins are touch 7, 27, 14 GPIO means touch 7, touch 6, touch 5, touch 4. Otherwise you can use touch 9, touch 8 and touch 0, touch 2, touch 3. So but we are using only these 4 touches, and a GPIO pin is 21, 19, 18, 5. So here is my programming part, ESP32. Okay, ESP32 development module. Okay, so touch means, so here I am taking the outputs are 5, 18, 19, 21. So I am taking the touch read. You can read the touch and you can on and off the bulbs. Yeah, let us coming into the hardware part. So here I am taking the 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, ESP32 module, and I explain the pin numbers, touch plates. These are the touch plates, capacitive touch pins T1, T2, T3, T4, and here we are using 4 relay coil, SPDT relay, single pole double throw relay. So the purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the bulb. Bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4. So here BC547 transistor, NPN transistor. So to switch the relay coil. So now I am giving the power supply to the board. Okay, so then I am on the power supply of the AC bulb. Then so we have to press, first of all it is a 0, then so bulb 1. Okay, so it is interconnected, bulb. Okay, 2 times. Okay, 0, true. Okay, as per programming I given as a first as a 0, so now it is a switch off. Okay, so all is on. You can take another switch as all is off. We have a total 9 touch switch pins are available, so we can control the speed of the fan also. Okay, so in the next project I am going to add the web, so we can control the web through lights on and off, and as well as touch bi-directional. In the next project I am going to add as a IoT web controlled, phone controlled, as well as touch controlled. Okay, it's a good project. Yesterday I seen the touch pins and I did this today. Okay, it's a good project. We can add another 4 touch pins. So these are normal pins, the piezoelectric sensors. You can take it as a switches directly, or any copper plate. You can use any plate. Okay, it will work. Please subscribe for more projects on SVS Embedded. Capacitive touch plates called touch read. You have to mention the touch pin, which touch pin you are going to connect. So you can see the data onto the hyperterminal. We can connect to hyperterminal. You can see the value of the touch, and you can write the program of the if condition. All lights on. Proper touch required. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.